If you're a student, a developer, or just someone who wants to learn smarter and organize ideas better in 2026, there's one tool you shouldn't ignore: NotebookLM. You might already recognize the name. Maybe you've seen those AI-generated podcast-style summaries trending online. But here's the reality. Most users barely scratch the surface. They're using a small fraction of its true capabilities. When you lock its full potential, NotebookLM becomes much more than a simple AI tool. NotebookLM transforms into a powerful thinking partner that helps you research deeper, connect ideas faster, and actually understand information, not just consume it. Hello everyone, I'm Aisha. You're watching AI Tech Vision. Hello. NotebookLM is a research-focused workspace developed by Google, but it works very differently from tools like ChatGPT or Claude. Instead of just asking questions and getting general answers, NotebookLM starts with your sources. You upload materials first, like PDFs, notes, or videos. And then the AI helps you explore, question, and transform that information into something useful. What makes it powerful is this: it only works within the content you provide. You can think of it this way: ChatGPT has broad knowledge but isn't always tied to a specific source. NotebookLM, on the other hand, knows only what you give it but understands it deeply and stays accurate. For studying, research, or content creation, that limitation is actually its biggest strength. It keeps everything relevant, reliable, and directly connected to your work. When you start a new notebook, the first step is feeding it quality sources, because everything it does next depends on what you give it. When you open NotebookLM, the first thing you'll notice is the Sources panel, and honestly, that's where everything begins. This isn't just another feature, it's the core of how the tool works. The results you get are only as good as the material you provide. If your sources are strong, your outputs will be sharp, accurate, and genuinely useful. You can feed it different types of content. Upload PDFs or documents like lecture notes, research papers, ebooks, or reports. If you find a helpful article or documentation online, just paste the link and it pulls the content in. You can even drop in YouTube videos, whether they're lectures, podcasts, or conference talks, and it will transcribe and structure the information for you. On top of that, it connects directly with Google Drive, so you can import your docs, slides, or stored files instantly. Where it gets really powerful is when you combine sources. Instead of relying on one piece of content, you can build a complete learning environment, like pairing a lecture video with slides, adding a blog that simplifies the topic, a simple strategy that works well. Use one main source for what you want to learn. This provides depth, like including the original research paper. One or two supporting sources, like videos or blogs that explain it clearly, and optional reference material like technical docs or research papers. Before you start asking questions, it also helps to understand how NotebookLM approaches research. There are two modes. A faster mode gives you quick answers when you already have solid material and just need to explore it. The deeper mode takes more time but builds a structured understanding. It plans, gathers context, and organizes insights, which is ideal for complex topics. Once your sources are ready, you interact through a chat interface. Behind the scenes, it uses a method called retrieval augmented generation. In simple terms, it first pulls the most relevant pieces from your uploaded content before generating an answer. Behind the scenes, NotebookLM builds answers based on those exact sections. That's why the responses feel reliable. Instead of guessing, it shows you where each idea comes from, so you can verify it yourself. And that shift from blindly trusting AI to actually understanding the source is what makes it so effective for serious learning. Here's the feature most people completely overlook: the studio. This is where NotebookLM stops being just a research tool and starts producing real, usable outputs from your material. Inside Studio, you can turn your sources into several different formats, each designed for a specific way of learning or sharing information. One option converts everything into an audio-style discussion, almost like a podcast, making it perfect for learning while you're on the move. Another creates a video-style breakdown with slides, giving you a mini lesson built directly from your content. If you prefer visual thinking, there's a mind map that organizes ideas into connected clusters, helping you see how concepts relate to each other. There are also tools focused on memory and practice. Flashcards help you actively recall key points, while quizzes test your understanding and even adapt in difficulty as you go. And if you need to present something, it can build a full slide deck based entirely on your sources. In short, Studio takes everything you've uploaded and transforms it into formats you can actually use, whether that's for studying, teaching, or creating content. The real power shows up when you combine smart prompts with Studio outputs. That's where NotebookLM turns into a complete learning system. A great example is converting a single lecture into a full study workflow in minutes, especially useful for students. Start by dropping in a YouTube lecture like this one. Then guide the AI step by step with focused prompts. First, ask it to explain the core idea in simple terms, like you're a beginner seeing the topic for the first time. Then push it further. Request the same concept at an exam level, including formal definitions, typical mistakes students make, and even a sample question. Next, go deeper by asking for key terminology. Something like the most important concepts from the lecture, each clearly defined using only the lecture content. Once that's done, move to the Studio section and start generating outputs. Create flashcards to practice active recall. Generate a quiz to test your understanding. Start at a moderate level and increase the difficulty if needed. Then produce an audio summary so you can review everything while walking or commuting. At that point, you haven't just watched a lecture, you've turned it into a structured learning system with explanation, practice, and revision all built in. And here's the key advice. Don't limit this to just one lecture. The real impact comes when you repeat this process across multiple lessons and start building a connected knowledge base. You can think of it this way. ChatGPT has broad knowledge. NotebookLM knows only what you give it. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.